How to fix connected Wi-Fi can't provide internet. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys if you are having trouble getting connection from your Wi-Fi. But before getting started, make sure to hit down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. So if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network but it's not providing the internet connection, then the first thing you need to do is check your DNS. For that, you first have to head over to your connection settings, tap on Wi-Fi and tap on the settings of your current Wi-Fi network, then tap on View More, and on the IP settings, make sure you set this to static. And now if you scroll down, you'll find the DNS one. You will have to remove whatever there is and then set this to 8.8.8.8, and then finally on the DNS2 you're going to set 8.8.4.4, and after that tap on save. And once you do that, what you're going to do next is go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then make sure to turn on the airplane mode. And once you do that, you are going to leave it as it is for around 5 seconds, turn it off, and then what you're going to do is turn back your Wi-Fi again. So once you have done all of that, I recommend you restart your phone once, and after restarting, your problem should be fixed. The other thing that you can change on your settings is go ahead and open it up, then go back, and you are just going to reset all of your network settings. Head over to General Management, tap on Reset, and from here you can reset all network settings. So just tap on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and reset it from here. And after doing this, give your phone a quick restart like this, and your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.